Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello everyone. So as you might have saw in the thumbnail, we are doing, and the title of course, we are doing Samoa's favorite comfort food, but we're doing a challenge with what we always eat in the US, which is Campbell's Supoketi, which is spaghetti in a can, versus Wattie's, which is from New Zealand, but also loved in Australia and probably Samoa as well. I know a lot of people that use this, and a lot of people that use this, so we're gonna see which one is better with a blind taste test for me and my wife, and I'll show you how we're gonna do that. I won't bore you with me making the whole thing. I'll just show you some quick snippets. There is a wasp flying by the camera, so I don't know if you picked that up or not in the thing, but anyways, hey, while I'm here, do you notice this sweet shirt? Woo, gee, woo, check it out. Samoa. Let me, it says Samoa Pisupo. So Western Samoa, maybe? But I like this right here, has the coordinates. Let me show you the whole thing. Hold on a second. All right, hopefully this is better. So you see the shirt? Nice design. It is made by Oli Gear. So Oli Gear is from Sydney, right there in Oz. So it's been around for about 5 years. The husband that created it, he did it 5 years ago, but it took him till like recently till his wife said, go ahead. And he's opened up his own shop. Right now it's on Redbubble, but pretty soon he'll have his own website. I just got these in. They are really nice. I love the designs. You saw the other design that my wife had on earlier. So, you know, the cool thing I like about Oli Gear is that they're all about, the designs are all culture, religion, history, and basically, you know, the world, the ever-changing world that we live in right here. So I want to give a big shout out to Uso, Mikiafa. Big shout out, Uso. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. So much love from me and my wife to your Ainga. And that's it. I also love on the back here, if you can see it. Let me move my ponytail. See right there? It says Ofi Gear, and it has 2 palm trees with all the roots. Because Polynesia and the islands are everywhere. So, okay, enough of me just talking and showing off my new clothes. Let's go get some cooking and get to eating. Let's get started.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Okay, now that the corned beef and the onions are cooked, I'm going to take half of this and put it in this pan right here, so that way I can have half Wattie's and half Campbell's. Okay, this side will be the Wattie's. And now let me go get the Campbell's. Alright, and there's the Campbell's side. What's funny is my wife from the picture on here, she thought that the Campbell's was bigger spaghetti than the Wattie's, but they're actually exactly the same size. So funny. All right, let me finish this out. So the plates we're going to use will be identical, but on one back side I'm going to put a little C for Campbell's, And then the other one, I'm going to put a W for Watties. And then after I put them in the bowl and put equal amounts in each one, I'm going to have Silhouette or Acapella come here and mix them all up so me and my wife don't know which one's which. And then we'll try the blind taste test. All right, we're going to do the Campbell's first. You can see the C right there. Let me go grab it. So I got the pot with it in. I'm just going to pour it all in one, and then me and my wife can put it on separate little dishes if we want to. There we go. I'm going to use this and put in the Watties. And pretty much there we go. All right, let's get started. Right here is the camera. So Silhouette's going to be our mixer-upper, and she'll be our judge of fair play. So once I'm going to set this down and I'm going to turn around, she's going to mix them up. You just spin them around in any order. You can leave them the same, but make sure you at least sound like you're mixing them up, no matter what you want to do. And you have to confirm that I'm turning my back and that Mom's not looking either. Okay, go ahead. Am I watching? Am I looking?
No.
How about Mom?
No.
Okay, are you done?
Yeah.
All right, leave them alone. Thank you, Silhouette. All right, we're here. We've got the two things. We don't know which one's which. We went and got a little bit of rice, and we got a spoon. I cleaned the cans out so we can say which ones. When we're all done, we'll say who's the winner, who's the winner, who's the loser. So, ladies first. Which one do you want to try first?
Closest.
And then we're move your thing, and then we're rated like out of 1 to 10, maybe. Oh, this is gonna be messy. I should have got a different bowl to put them in. Hold on, darling. Oh my gosh. Let me try it too. Wait for me, wait for me. I want to try. All right. So with me, I put everything. I put extra salt and peppers on everything. So, oh, do you want to say hi?
Hi, everyone.
Thanks. So I'm gonna add some crushed red peppers and salt. But let me take a quick break and get a drink for us before we start. All right. You can start if you want, sweetie. Go ahead. We're not going to say anything bad or good about them right now. We'll judge them after we're done. Now remember, for some reason they do taste way different. She might pick Campbell's because that's what she's used to. And I might pick Campbell's. But we're going to try to give an honest opinion. I am curious. I don't know. I truly don't know which one's which. It's delicious. I don't care what brand it is. It's really good. Oh my god. And it's hot. Woo! Chee-hoo! This tastes pretty good to me, don't you think, honey? You can comment now.
Very good. I'm hungry.
We're both hungry. I don't know what she ate today, but I ate a small salad for breakfast because I'm trying to lose weight.
I had masi for breakfast.
Masi. And then for lunch, I had one olive. Not a little one, but a big olive with a stuffed jalapeno inside. It's not easy being slim and beautiful, is it, honey? I was going to say, maybe I should not eat it all, so I have room for the other one. But I could probably eat both bowls without her help. It was really good. I'm kind of nervous. It might be Wattie's. I don't know. It don't matter to me though. If Wattie's the best. Wattie's the best. The only sad thing is, the only place I can get it is like specialty stores, like the one we did in the last video when we went to the best Samoan food in Tacoma. And I don't even know what it costs, but it's probably like $2, $2.80, $3 for a can there. Whereas a normal can of this is probably like 89 cents where I go shopping. But of course we're paying for the you know, the money that costs to ship it overseas, of course. Look at Speedy Gonzalez over here. Wow. Let me finish and catch up with her. All right, we're just trying to push. I'm using my rice to kind of clean my plate. And Mommy cleaned it off pretty good on her side. Now let's do bowl 2. Say when.
Mm-hmm.
And then I guess I have to take the rest. All right. Again, a little salt. Little crushed peppers. If they taste exactly the same, that would be so funny. Let's see.
This is Wattie. This is Wattie.
She thinks this is Wattie. Right there. We're C. The spices. Sorry. I was coughing. This tastes almost identical, but I don't know. I don't know if I can tell. She says it's Wattie's. I'm not sure if this one's Wattie or not. So Mommy says this one's Wattie's and this one's Campbell's. She has a better palate than me. I literally can't tell the difference. They're both really good. Don't you think? Want more rice? More rice? More rice! Right. Sorry, we took a break there for a minute to eat off camera just so... Well, Mom almost finished all her stuff. So the first one you tried, which was right here, right? This was her first, or this was her first bowl. Not, she thinks it's this, but that was her first bowl. What would you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
This is 10. 10 for me.
It was a 10? This bowl right here
Mm-hmm.
that you did first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I would give it, it was so good. But I'm not going to give anything a 10 if I don't have to. I'm going to give it a 9. And what do you think of the one you're currently eating, which is this bowl that Mom thinks is Wattie's, on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.5.
9.5. So you think the other one was better? Okay. I said 9.5 on the first one? Or 9? I don't remember what I say.
Oh, you didn't say 10. So.
I know I didn't say 10. I think the second one we're trying, which I'm not sure what it is, if it's Campbell or the other one, is a 9.
Mm-hmm.
That might be the same score. I don't know. My palate's not as good as hers. Let's review and see who is right or who guessed what. Mommy said this one she thinks is Wattie's. This one you only gave a 9.5 to, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what it is. I'm going to let you guys see first. What is it? Tell us. What's it say? Oh, Mom's right. It's Wattie's. I'll be darned. And then Mommy said this one's Campbell's. It should have a C. And it does have the C right there. So, Mom, so your favorite was the Campbell's still, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that could be because that's all she's grown up with. But I found them almost identical. I couldn't tell the difference. Again, though, my palate isn't as fine. What made this one, to you, a little better than this one? What was the difference, if there was one thing that was different?
Different spices. There's spices in the other one.
She's saying there's spices in Wattie. Let me look. So it says sauce, tomato, sugar, cheese paste, cheddar cheese melt, salt, cheese culture, water, salt, onion flavor, then a bunch of, preservative, which all canned food has. Oh, right here it says spices. It don't say what they are. It just says spices, and that's right before blue cheese flavor. Let's see what Campbell's says. Tomato puree, spaghetti, wheat flour, bunch of preservatives like every can thing, cheddar cheese, salt, cheddar cheese, cultured milk, salt, enzyme, water. I'm looking for anything citric acid, onion extract, skim milk, natural flavors. So there is no word that says spices. That is crazy that the one thing she said is the reason is actually on the can. It says spices. Good job, honey. I'm impressed. All right, we are done. Or Mom's done. I was too busy talking. I didn't eat all my food. I personally could eat either one. They seem the same to me. I might have gave one a 0.5 higher or lower than the other one. I don't remember. Mom, though, does like the Campbells better. Oops, I'm spitting food. A little better than the Watties. So, if you have access to both of these and you live in Australia, New Zealand, Samoa, Tonga, wherever, see if you can get this as well and see if this is almost as good as this. Because you're probably like this one better. But for now, for today, in my wife's opinion, Campbell's won. Sorry, Watties. You know, Watties is actually made by Heinz, which is a company that makes the #1 ketchup over here in the United States. And they also make mustard too, but they're known for their ketchup. Pretty cool. Got anything to say, honey bunny?
Thank you, everyone. Yeah, and I know my Supoketis.
Thank you for cooking dinner, honey.
Thank you for dinner, honey.
You're welcome. Mwah. Love you, sweetie.
Love you, honey.
All right, we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do your own Supoketi challenge and let us know which one's the best. Do it blind like we did. That way you won't have a preference one way or another, and see which one you like the best. We look forward to seeing your videos for sure. So much love from us to all of your family. God bless always. And until next time, Tofa Seifua. And 1, 2, 3. Peace. Bye, everyone.